Boom. B-Fam back in the house. E for9 TV coming straight at you. How you doing, people of planet Earth? I hope you're doing great, because I've got a great video for you today. That's right. Here we go.
For we meet in an hour of change and challenge, in a decade of hope and fear. For the eyes of the world now look into space, to the moon, and to the planets beyond. We have had our failures, but so have others, even if they do not admit them. To be sure, we are behind, and will be behind for some time. But we do not intend to stay behind, and in this decade we shall make up and move ahead. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win. The great British explorer George Mallory, who was to die on Mount Everest, was asked why did he want to climb it. He said, because it is there. Well, space is there, and we're going to climb it. And the moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked.
To the moon. You know I had to give it to you, people. You know I had to give it to you. Come on, look at the price of Bitcoin. $23,452, people. Ooh. It was at 24,000 and change a few hours ago. I'm coming at you on the 12th, sorry, 20th of the 12th, 2020. Sunday night in London, England. I know I've been away for a hot minute, been away for a few days. I ain't done a video. Why? I went to my wardrobe, I got my helmet, my moon boots, my spacesuit. I took a trip out of here. I was celebrating, yeah, because Bitcoin has been over 20 grand for the last 5 days. So that's why I haven't been doing a video, because I've been in the realms, people, out there in the zone. Hey, I waited forgive me, I waited 3 years for this, you know. Yeah, because remember, I've been in this game for 3 years, and I came in when Bitcoin was at 6 grand. I see it go up to 19 grand, then I see it flop down to $3,000. People, hey, talk about patience. But 3 years ain't even nothing, really. In the bigger scheme of things, 3 years, that's a drop in the ocean. But hey, look, congratulations to anybody that has bought Bitcoin since I started doing these videos, right? Or Ethereum, or practically any other coin that I mentioned, because I think, you know, 99.9% of them has all gone up, right? So you're not too late, you're not too early, you're here at the right time. Serious. I mean, if we just flip to this article here, this was dated, no, first of all, let's go back to this article. This is from Market Watch, back in May the 16th last year, 2019. If you're not a billionaire in 10 years, it's your own fault, says 20-year-old Bitcoin tycoon. Yeah, it's your own fault, people. Yeah, it's your own fault if you're not a billionaire in 10 years. Or if, look, let's give it ease. If you're not a millionaire stroke billionaire in 10 years, it's your own fault. I'm telling you right now. This is from a 20-year-old. This was an article last year. Look at the price of Bitcoin. Look. And it was done. $8,000. Yeah? You see it back in January, early January 2019, right? It was at $3,000. February, $3,000. Yeah? Alright. So, what does it say in this article? Bitcoin has mounted an uncanny resurgence from the depths of a virtual winter for the cryptocurrency market, with bullish long-term investors extolling the virtues of digital assets as the opportunity of a lifetime and touting the benefits of sticking it out through the volatile price swings. I was there, people, sticking it out, holding strong, just for you, so I can bring this information to you to say, look, your brother's been through the storms. It ain't going nowhere. We still here, right? Bitcoin ain't going nowhere. Blockchain ain't going nowhere. The other cryptos, they ain't going nowhere. Some of them will. Anyway, back to the article. One such Bitcoin prominent, Eric Finneman, harbors an unusually upbeat prediction for the enterprising few, willing to take a chance on Bitcoin and blockchain. People, if you're listening to this, you are the enterprising few and you're willing to take a chance on this. Let's move on. Why is Bitcoin surging? Here are 4 possible explanations. Finneman told Market Watch in a Tuesday interview that Bitcoin and its ilk could be a veritable lottery ticket for those with the intestinal fortitude, your intestines hardcore, to hold on to or invest directly in the asset for at least the next decade. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What I've been telling you since I've been doing these videos. This is a long-term game. This is not no get rich quick scheme. No. This is get wealthy over time. Finneman said Bitcoin could certainly mint more than a few millionaires over time, reiterating comments that he made to Business Insider Germany back in January. I'm going to stop it there. That article, as I said, was last year, right? Let me flip to this article, which was only last month, right? November 19th, 2020, from Bitcoin.com. Millionaires FOMO. And if you don't know what FOMO means, it means fear of missing out, right? And also, if you don't know if you hear FUD, also that means fear, uncertainty, doubt. Yeah, you get a lot of FUD news, misinformation, putting the FUD out there to scare people, just like with this boogeyman thing that's going around the world. And mind you, we're in lockdown again in London, England again. People will I ain't gonna go into it anyway. 73% will own Bitcoin by 2022, according to this survey. Let's go down. Hundreds of millionaires have revealed in a new survey that they have either already invested in Bitcoin or planning to invest in the cryptocurrency in the next couple of years. Did you hear that, people? Did you hear that? These guys with the big money bags are about getting more money. What are my people doing? They're watching, come down with me, they're watching football. Well, when it was on, yeah, they're still watching football, motor racing. What else? I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here. This is the programs that we have in London, England, people, yeah? Right? Coronation Street, EastEnders, all this malark. Their attention is on some bull crap. And the millionaire's attention, who's really got money, are on making more money. Someone lick me in my head, man, please. Am I missing the point here? People who ain't got money, their attention is on bullcrap. People who's got money, their attention is on getting more money. People, we've got to change our thoughts, man, our thinking pattern, people. Come on, man. Millionaires don't want to miss out on Bitcoin. A new global poll by the Ver Group that shows 73% of millionaires will invest in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP before the end of 2022. Before the end of 2022, people. Right? Your brother from another mother, I'm giving you the heads up. I've been trying to give people the heads up since 2017. Late 2017. People just roll their eyes at me. Let me continue. Or are already investing in them. The findings came as the price of Bitcoin rallied past $18,000. This was a month ago. As I'm talking to you right now, Bitcoin's 23 people. Oh gosh. Anyway, DeVere Group is a large independent financial advisory firm. The group asked more than 700 of its high net worth clients, those having more than 1 million in investable assets, who currently reside in the US, the UK, Asia, Africa, the Middle East, East Asia, Australia, Latin America. Yo, people. Millionaires across the globe. People, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. A whole heap of those Bitcoin have been lost. People, please get your skates on. Forget about Father Christmas and getting these presents and all this malark. Yeah. Yo, get some cryptocurrency, because that's gonna pay you much more in the long run than these presents that we are getting right now for whoever. I ain't saying look man, please don't get me wrong now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't get your wifey or your children, right? But think about it, people. If you're going to spend a certain amount on presents, reduce. It's not financial advice, right? I'm just giving you an example. Just reduce half of it. Buy some Bitcoin for them. Buy some Ethereum. Buy some cryptocurrency, man. That's going to make them money. Instead of a freaking TV or some bull crap, man. Some socks or whatever. Come on, people. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cut the holidays out for the next year or two. Anyway, you can't even travel right now anyway, properly with this COVID thing. Anyway. Look, just cut the crap out. Cut the crap that you spend every month, whatever. Just cut it out, man. Use some of that money and put it into crypto. Please. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees right now. Jeez. Anyway, let me continue. The price of Bitcoin is up to 125. Is up 125 year to date. 125%. Making it once again, one of the best performing assets of the year. Commented DeVere Group founder and CEO Nigel Green, elaborating. I want to pause right there. You see this little 125%? That little that's a drop in the park. That's a drop in the park. We do that all day long in altcoins. How much opportunity we've got out here, people. That's what I'm trying to say to you. It's not just Bitcoin. Remember that. Remember that, please. You're in the right place at the right time. Let's scroll down a bit more. As the survey shows, the impressive performance is drawing the attention of wealthy investors who increasingly understand that digital currencies are the future of money, and they don't want to be left in the past. I'm banging my head. I'm holding my head in my hands. People, millionaires are jumping into the cryptocurrency market as we talk. Some of them are open with it, some of them are silent, but this is just the beginning, right? This is just the beginning, and I ain't gonna go through all this article, but you know what I'm trying to say. This is serious, right? I'm showing you the facts, man. What? Come on, people, man. Ah, gosh, let's get on with it. Let's go back to the cryptocurrency markets. It was popping. We might be in for a little, you know, I mean, Sunday, innit? So people are chilling. Come tomorrow, it might pop up. Let's have a look on the charts. Let's have a look. Look at that monthly chart of Bitcoin. Look at those monthly. These are monthly candles. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Let's go to the weekly. Look at that weekly candle. Boom. Looking beautiful. Looking absolutely beautiful. Let's go to the daily. We're zooming in now. Daily. Look, just a little chilled. Yesterday was boomed. It boomed. Today, a little pullback. This way, this how charts go. This how the market flows. You don't get a straight line or a straight line down. No. Yeah. So, but anyway, people, I ain't gonna go into too much about it, but I'm just sharing with you what's happening right now in the market. We're at a great day and time to be getting in. It's not too late. It's not too early. Don't watch that if you haven't bought Bitcoin. Right at the moment, you're still early, even though Bitcoin's at $23,000 and change. Don't worry about that, because, as I said, Bitcoin has brought his whole long lost cousins and family and 100 wives and X amount, 1,000 children plus, and their children, and etc. Right? we got all this to play with. We've got so much Teslas and Googles and Amazons in this market. It's crazy. It's absolutely heinous. So don't worry about missing Bitcoin at, you didn't buy it at 20 grand, 15 grand, 10 grand. Don't worry about it. Dollar cost average, right? And you're gonna get pullbacks. So don't worry about it, because this thing here, we're going to $1 million soon over the next 10 years. I'm telling you, when you do the maths on this, we're going to $1 million, people. Not straight away, give it time, but next year, in the next few months, in the next 12-24 months, we are going to 6 figures. 6 figures, people. 100 grand plus. That's what I'm telling you right now. You heard it here. BFAM giving you straight and direct. Anyway, I want to quickly introduce to you a token that's going to help you people who just want to buy cryptocurrency as a investor, right? Just as an investor. I mean, sorry, before I go into that, let me just scroll down and show you what's happening with certain of the percentage that's being made in this market, right? Bitcoin Cash over the last 7 days is done 26%, right? Let's have a look. There's a big one that came onto the market today, or in the last few days. 17% there. Where we go. Look at this graph. This just came onto the market in the last few days, literally 2 days, right? It came out. Let's have a look. Let's click on graph. I hear that it's institutional backing, so a lot of institutions are backing this project. I ain't going to quickly go into it, but look at the chart. It came out on the 17th, right? Around about 13 cents. Boom, people, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 days, we are up to 72 cents. You 4 times your money. You put $1,000, you've got 4 grand. Come on. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't worry about missing Bitcoin at those prices, yeah, because there's so much opportunity in this market. It's absolutely heinous. Anyway, the token, that I want to introduce you to today is one that I have been following, and I have some in my portfolio since 2018. It is this one, Swissborg, numbered 70 in CoinMarketCap. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, it's gone up 11%. At the moment, it's 24 cents. In the last 7 days, it's done 108%. So going back to the article of Bitcoin since the beginning of the year, doing over 100% and 25, I think it's 125%. Well, Swissborg, is not too far from that, innit? In the last 7 days, it's just done that. So, and as you can see, the other coin that I showed you, that's done over 400% in 4 days. So you do the maths, people. Yeah, a year to make over 100%, which is great. But I'm showing you stuff that's happening within this market. You're making 100+% in the space of days sometimes. This is real. This is not no joke. This is real. Real. Alright. Anyway, let's get back to Swissborg. It has a market cap of 228 million. A volume of 11 million. Circulating supply of nearly 1 billion. Let's click on Swissborg and let's check it out. Okay, right, so total is 1 billion. In circulating supply, 928 million. It is on the Ethereum network, right? So it runs on the Ethereum platform. It's a token. It deals with asset management and staking. It's a DeFi. They deal with, it's a decentralized, comes under decentralized also. Right, let's scroll down. This website I'm using is CoinMarketCap, for those who don't know, for any newbies to the channel. Welcome, Ether9 TV, BFAM, right here, for you. Right, it started out in February 2018, around about 7 cents. Dropped all the way down to low points of less than a cent, 0.009 of a cent, 0.07 of a cent, so less than a cent, nearly. In fact, it went to 0.005. Yeah, that's right, people, 0.005. yeah, all right, it was down there for a while, and now we are at 24 cents, right? So I'm going to give you some numbers in a minute. So it bottomed out, and there's a saying in the trading world: the bigger the base, the higher into space. Yeah, meaning when the asset bottoms out, the longer it takes to bottom out, the longer that it's at the bottom, right, the more inclined, especially if it's a legit project, the more inclined it's going to go up big time, because it spent so long chilling out, just chilling, right? This spent basically 2 years, on a downtrend, right? And then from May 2020 it rocketed, right? So as you can see from down here, we've got volume. These right at the bottom here is showing you volume, and then boom, it just rocketed. In the green line, it is showing you in US dollar. In the gold line, that is priced in Bitcoin, and in the blue line, that is the market cap of the asset that we are looking on. So if we scroll back up, and this is a linear to linear scale, if we scroll back up and click on market peers, you can see you can purchase Swissborg at HitBTC, which is, some people cuss off HitBTC. I've used them, I have an account with them. They're not the best, right? Some people had issues with them, but I've never had an issue with them, right? So, but where I purchased this from was from Livecoin and Qcoin. These are two legit exchanges. Uniswap, that's a decentralized exchange where you can purchase it there, but I have a link in my description if anybody does want to purchase this token in the future. And I'm not telling you to purchase this token right now, because as you can see from the charts, we are at the high bit, right? High prices. So you don't buy high, you buy low. Anyway, that's where you go to find out where you can purchase any coin or token within the market. You click on market peers, and it will give you all the different exchanges where you can purchase that coin or token from. And you click on social, that will give you all their social channels, right? You've got different tools, you've got historical data, give it the numbers, on-chain analysis, all that stuff. So for those who are digging into the project. And then if we go to the website, we can tell you what it's all about. But before I do that, let me go to Coin Charts Pro and tap in Swissborg. So this is how you do it. You go to Coin Charts Pro and you use the ticker symbol. So if I go to Coin Market Cap, you see CHSB. That is a ticker symbol of whatever token or coin that you're looking for. So when you want to chart the coin or token, you go to a site like this, a charting site like this, and you tap in CHSB, and as you can see, it will give you Swissborg in Bitcoin pair, USD pair, Ethereum pair, the market cap, etc. Right? So if we click on USD, and D means daily, so if we click on it, if we go to the monthly chart, right, as you can see, right, February 2018 is where we at. At about 9 cents, came all the way down, boom. Right, let's take a measuring tool. If we go to this tool here, no, let's scroll down. Where are you? Price range, right? Price. You're looking for price range, and we click on price range, and we go to the bottom of the chart, 0.007 of a cent, and we scroll all the way up to like 24 cents. We can go further, but hey, we can go to the wick. In fact, let's go to the wick. Right, that is a gain of 3,600%, people. So if you had bought when it was around 0.07 of a cent, you would have made 35 times your money. You do the maths. Put a grand times 35. What do you get? That's right, people. Crazy money. Right? So that's how we get this money in the market. Anyway, let's delete this. So as you can see from the chart, these are monthly candles on Swissborg, right? And it's got a strong momentum right now. That is a strong monthly candle. That's showing you that there's a lot of buyers within this month. Now if we go down to the weekly chart, as you can see, it broke out of this range here at 11 cents on the 7th of December, right? Boom. Go down to the daily chart, looking good still, looking good. But obviously I'm not telling, if you are looking to invest or trade, you don't buy at the highest, people. Do not buy at these levels. Yeah, you will get burnt most of the time. Some of the time you might get away with it, but I'm just saying, right? Let the train go. Let the train go. It will come back at some point, right? Don't buy at the highest, please. You go down to Rex City. Anyway. But yeah, I mean, there might be a trade in there still, a short-term trade, but you know, as I'm saying, I'm not recommending anything. You do what you want to do, but as I'm saying, your brother from another mother's telling you, you do not buy at big green candles. Do not do that. Okay, let's go into what is Swissborg all about. Right, invest in crypto assets the smart way. You can download the app on your Google, your Android, or your iPhone. Okay, it's a wealth app, right? So basically it's a place where you can go and just easily buy your cryptocurrency from the comfort of your phone, right? And what you do, you connect up your bank account to it, and you can deposit, do a transfer of whatever money you have onto the platform, and then you can use that money to buy the various tokens that they have available: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and a few others. The fees are very reasonable, much more better than Coinbase. Kicks Coinbase out the window, right? Especially, as I said, if you're just looking to invest. This is not for traders. This is just for somebody who wants to buy their cryptocurrency on a weekly, monthly basis. Easy peasy, don't have to worry about it. And at the same time, they will get yield on their money, right? Whatever crypto that you buy, you're going to get a yield on it. You're going to get APR on it. And they've just launched up to 24% on your USDC, right? So if you exchange your fiat currency into USDC, US dollars, digital wise, then you can earn up to that percentage, right? Up to, and I say up, depending how if you have the token, the Swissborg token on their platform as well, because you can stake that token. So the Wealth app, control your wealth, a trusted and accessible wealth management ecosystem powered by blockchain technology. Swissborg puts your wealth back into your hands. Earn easy passive income with smart yield. Our system connects you to selected counterparties with a full range of DeFi projects to find you the best return for the lowest risk, using top platforms like Compound, Curve, Binance, Aave, or Uniswap. Right, so it uses these decentralized platforms and Binance. In fact, they've got a decentralized platform also, right, to find the best prices for you. You can stake your CHSB and double your earnings with a premium account. That's how you get up to the top APR, right? Get the best price and liquidity from multiple exchanges, right? So it's giving you the best price at the best time according to the market. You can connect to multiple exchanges in one account. You get the best liquidity and rates in a matter of seconds. Create exclusive fiat pairs like CHSB stroke CHF. I'm not sure what that is, but we can find out anyway, right? So you can track your investments, have them grow over time on the balance screen. You gain a realistic view of your performance with both unrealized and realized profit stroke loss. Understand your investment costs with transparent fees broken down in a peer assist view. So people, this is, you know, making it easy for a new person to get in to this cryptocurrency market and earn some passive income on their tokens and coins that they buy. So it's raised 52 million in the ICO back in the day. Over 149 countries are using it, and it had 23,000 ICO participants. Right, so anytime you're ready, people, right, this is one for you to go and check out. You can go and read up on their news, right, giving you updates of what's happening within the community. Yeah, it's basically it's a great, easy, accessible platform, easy to use, been around for a few years. As you can see, they're legit. I use them. It's one of my strategies, yeah, because I have multiple places to purchase cryptocurrency. Do not leave yourself to only one place to buy crypto. You have to have multiple places to purchase cryptocurrency from, yeah, please, because when this bull run gets crazy next year and going into 2022, it may get a bit difficult, because some places may, like, you know, put a pause on their platform. But I've seen it already back in 2017, 2018. It went crazy, right? You couldn't even access certain platforms because the amount of influx of customers that they had coming to the platform, right? So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I will leave a link in my description, so if you want to sign up to Swissborg, you get a drink, I get a drink, we all glory. It's a win-win situation, yeah? It's not no win-lose. I only bring you win-win situations because that's the type of guy I am. B-fam, brother from another mother, right? Gotta love you, gotta leave you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to the kitchen, get the hammer out or the mallet and go smash up the likes. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And have a great day and night and life. B-fam will catch you on the rebound. Peace and love.